What is up everyone, welcome to another video. Today I have this Xiaomi 55 watt wireless charger which is compatible with this Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra 50 watt wireless charging. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to see how long does it take. How long does this Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra takes to charge it from 0 to 100 using this wireless charger. Okay, so we will do the unboxing and then we will charge our Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra using this wireless charger. I also have a few other surprising things and we will check those at the end. But before we start this video, a few seconds for the sponsor of this video. Yeah, this is Synology Network Attached Storage and I believe that this is the best. It's not because they have sponsored this video, but after using this, I'm pretty convinced there is no other solution that is better than this one. Okay, it's time to unbox the fastest wireless charger. Let me tell you, the box itself is really very high quality. There is like Kevlar type fillings on the box, and the moment you open the box, there is another small box on top of the box like here, and this is actually for an extra accessory. You need this one to charge your Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. This is the fastest available wireless charger in the market. Actually, the build quality is pretty same to the older one, but it looks good. Actually, it looks better because this gold accent on the black color, it looks really nice. There is nothing else in the box. We have to use that 120 watt wireless charger that came inside the box with the Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra and that cable. Yeah, at the bottom there are 4 rubber tips. It will help actually to get good grip on the table. At the back there is a big vent, big cutout, that is to intake the air. Inside this wireless charger there is an active cooling fan, and yeah, in front there is a vent which will blow the air through that vent. Yeah, build quality is really nice and it is even better. If we compare this side by side with old generation, that 30 watt wireless charger from Xiaomi, then I would say definitely this new one is better. At a glance, actually they look very identical. Time to charge our Mi 10 Ultra with this 55 watt wireless charger, and here you get confirmation that I have fully drained the battery of Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. Oh, okay, here is that accessory included in the box of 55 watt wireless charger. To charge Mi 10 Ultra, we need this. Let's start this wireless charging speed test. Who can guess how long will it take to get to 100%? After 4 minutes, it got to 8%, which is really impressive for wireless charging. Remember that Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra comes with a big enough 4500 mAh battery. Yes, I have increased the speed of this video cause I know it's boring to wait to see how long it takes to get fully charged. Charging speed is consistent, it's getting 2% charged every minute. Yeah, after 10 minutes it's more than 20%, and if you compare with any other smartphones that comes with wireless charging feature, none of those can get to 20% within first 10 minutes. After 20 minutes it's 44%. That means in last 10 minutes it got 23% charged, which is more than first 10 minutes. Amazing. I am surprised to see that charging speed is even increased with time. After 30 minutes, it got 62% charged, means it already got 2790 mAh charged within 30 minutes. I'm really surprised and amazed. No other smartphone available in the market at this moment can come any close to this Mi 10 Ultra wireless charging speed. 79% after 40 minutes, and truly many other flagships, even with wired charging technology, can't get to 79% after 40 minutes. I am now really interested to do a charging speed test between Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra with wireless charger and OnePlus 8 Pro with its wired Warp Charge 30T. Which one will win? What do you think? Please don't forget to make a comment. It's time. 53 minutes 56 seconds. I am happy with the result. What's your thought on this? Please don't forget to make a comment, and if you have liked this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. If you have any other video requests, don't forget to let me know. We don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather just stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign, so lost here, lost for